Silky Silk, we are going to upgrade to some gorgeous silk pieces that I actually haven't seen yet, so I'm really excited. There's their little website if you'd like to check them out. They will be also linked in the description down below. Let's get right into the unboxing. There's some cute outfits in here, I know that much, and there's also some good Christmas items, holiday items, gifting items. Cool. All right, what have we got here? I'm trying to like show you everything and also unbox it. It is natural fibers, hypoallergenic, and breathable. And something to note about all of the silky stuff is that it is also wrinkle resistant and anti-allergy. So hypoallergenic, it's already in there. But yeah, so you take this off and we have got some lovely items here. So what have we got in this package? First things first, we have a little hair elastic. One thing to note is that silk hair elastics are actually really good for your hair because they don't damage and break the hair that you've got underneath or like pull too tight. So it's actually become very common to find silk hair elastics. So because of this, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna have a little fun ponytail. I was gonna do a fun bun, but I think we're gonna just do a ponytail. Sound effects required. So I got the black one. Ooh, this has some good hold to it. Look at that. Look at how nice that is. It's got that like shape. Damn. All right, I'm into this. Mine personally breaks off underneath all the time. So I've got like lots of little baby hairs just because of that. And this avoids that. So that is wonderful. So that's the first thing in my lovely little holiday box here. Oh, the stuff is so pretty. Okay, so here I believe we have a pillowcase. Ooh. Oh no, this is a scarf. That's what we've got there. A little scarf. Oh, this is so cute. You can wear it around your neck, however you may choose. But it's silk. It's going to feel nice. It's going to be gorgeous. You can also wear it like around your head. So like that's been a huge trend lately. So a nice silk scarf, again, doesn't damage your hair. It's good for your hair. Got a little ponytail, got a little scarf. Look how cute I look. And I look so cute. Oh my gosh. It maybe doesn't go with this outfit, but it's cute in general. So we're going to keep this on. Oh, this one is the pillowcase here. Of course, due to the fact that I am slightly obsessed with pink, I got some pink. So we have got sleep mask. If you are traveling much, this thing is a freaking lifesaver. I'm telling you, I always use sleep masks while I'm on planes, and to have one that's silk is good for your skin. It is breathable, so it's not going to bring up all that dirt and grime and like, you know, like suction that into your skin. It's got that like breathability in it. And also I love that it's like black and pink because those are like my favorite. Let me just add this to my pile of things that I've got on. But yeah, it's also going to be very good for your eyelashes because it's not going to damage them from the harsh materials. It is soft. It is satiny. It's good for your skin, good for your face. I would highly recommend silk. The other thing to note is that I love that this one has the band so you can tighten it because that's a pain in the ass when they're all the same size and you got a big head or a small head. Like it just doesn't work. So this is lovely because they gave you the versatility of everybody. Okay, I feel really cute like this. Is this just me? Like does this bandana suit me? Let me know in the comments down below because I kind of feel cute with this like whole style going on. It's cute. Okay, next up, continuing on with the pink, we have got a set of pink pillowcases. Ooh, these are gorgeous. If you get satin pillowcases, it's really good for your hair and your skin while you sleep, just due to that breathability and like how smooth and soft it is for your skin. There's nothing in it that's like going to harm your skin, going to harm your hair, going to rip anything. So it is actually really good to be using silk pillowcases. If you are looking for some wonderful Christmas gifts, I would highly recommend taking some stuff like this, making a little box and giving that as gifts because it's useful for everyone. And they may not even know that they need it because maybe they're not used to having a skin routine or anything of the sort, but they need it. Trust me, they need it. This one is a little bit wrinkled because it just came out of the box, but I'm going to lay it out and I'm going to put these on my pillows tonight because I actually have some on there already. They're blue right now, but I would love to change them up to being pink. This is what I'm the most excited about. Alrighty, so we have got two outfits. One of them is a little sleep set like this, which is good when you're traveling too because you want some nice soft silky cute stuff. So I have got this cute little set. It's again pink. Well, it's kind of like a more of a purplish pink. It's got the black accents and I love pink and black together. I think that they're so gorgeous. I think that they are very complementary. But I love how this is just like a super simple little pajama piece. You can wear it done up or undone depending on how you sleep. It's very lightweight and it's very smooth. So it will give you that beautiful feeling while you're sleeping. It's the same as like sleeping on silk sheets. If I have to wear pajamas, I love ones that are very light and, you know, airy, like soft. You just want to feel good while you sleep. So these are good for that. So you've got that lovely top there, and they're just simple. They've got their little simple waist elastic band. They're very nice. Oh, the little at the bottom, you got your little black accent right there, and it's just really cute. Like, it's just a really cute piece. I would feel adorable at like a slumber party and stuff like this, like sleeping over with friends, any of those kinds of things. I will always wear something like this because it's just like, it's so light and airy, and you can actually get away with wearing it and not overheat, not feel grimy, feel like scratchy. Like, it's just, it feels so nice. And then this last piece that I have to show you out of the box is this beautiful dress. Could be used as a nightgown, could be used as a dress. I would use it as a slip dress, personally, because it's got so many nice accents. Like, you could wear this out. I love that they've got the beige, like just to keep the neutrals with the black. Still draws a little bit more attention because it is brighter. If you just had a black lace, it would not have the same effect. I love that they've got the little sparkles on it. It's super cute, gives you a little punch of something extra. And then the way that they've got the crisscross in the front actually like draws attention inwards, which is always nice. And it's just so nice and light and airy. Like, I would totally wear this to an event. I also love that you can adjust the straps again. Like, they've made this so nice. And then you just tie the little back, and ooh, the back lace. That's cute too. You guys, I'm obsessed. Christmas season is coming up. If you want to give gifts, give gifts. If you want something for a cute little outfit you can wear to an event. So I'm not gonna lie, for how affordable Silky Silk is, the quality of this is just stunning. I think that everyone should have a couple silk pieces in their wardrobe. So if you'd like to check some out, SilkSilky is the place. I would also look at some Christmas gifts, look at some holiday gifts, look at some birthday gifts with a little box like this. Like, you cannot go wrong. Every girl loves silk pieces. I absolutely am obsessed